Alright, so it has been exactly 2 weeks since I moved the plants to these temporary mesh bioreactors, and so far they're doing pretty good. I have missed a couple days where I need to turn it. That's because during the weekend I usually not here on the lab. So, but that's okay. The plants are actually doing well. This is Darlingtonia californica. It's doing very well. So let's spin it around. There it goes. It's actually doing very well. It's growing. It has grown significantly. There it is. It's looking pretty good. All right. Next plant is Nepenthes concata. It is also doing very well. Both plants. It's hard to see. Both plants have grown. I can notice that they have grown. Not much. I mean, it is only been 2 weeks, and Nepenthes grow very slow, but they're doing well. So I'm very happy with that. Next plant, it is Helianthera minor, and I can really tell that this has grown significantly since I moved this to the bioreactor. It has really put some size. Some of those plants on the bottom are dead. I'm not sure about that, but the rest of the clump is doing pretty well. There is a smaller plant going somewhere in there that is also doing well. Right, and lastly we have Cephalotus. Cephalotus is also doing well. There is some trash on the bottom coming from the plant, but it is doing very well. See, pictures are putting some size, not insignificantly, but they are doing all right. So alrighty, so that's all the plants. So let's just turn it back on and then use the filter, remember, to the side. Filter. So I mean, from this 2 weeks review, these bioreactors are doing very well. Like, I was a little concerned with the Darlingtonia because if you remember, I had to move I put the plant on the wrong side where I had to made the adjustment, so I need to move it, and then the way I handled it, I thought it was going to get contaminated, but nothing so far. It is a little sticky because you remember also it cannot leak, and the media has sugars and all that kind of stuff, so it's a little sticky. So I'm going to probably clean the outside with some alcohol because it doesn't leak anymore since I moved the plant to the top side, well, to the right side. Now it doesn't leak anymore, so that's good to know that you need to be careful to where you want to put the plants on. So it's doing well. There is some small piece of plant on the bottom that they use photo where now it's basically fully open, but that's okay. As long as the main plant is still on this side, it's okay. Alright, so I think that's it for today. So it's been 2 weeks, and I'll see you on the next update. See you.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. If you're enjoying these tissue culture videos, be sure to follow us on social media for more informative content. And if you're interested in conducting your own tissue culture experiments, make sure to check us out at plantcelltechnology.com for all the products you need to get started. Use the code FP10 for 10% off your first purchase.